Maintaining organization in collaborative editing. Hello language enthusiasts! In today's lesson, we'll dive deep into the best practices for collaborative editing, with a special focus on maintaining document organization and formatting. In a digital age where we often work remotely, knowing these practices is essential for anyone looking to perfect their English reading and writing skills. Collaborative editing is the process where multiple individuals work together on a single document, making real-time edits. This can be done using various tools, and while it makes editing faster and more comprehensive, it can also introduce confusion if not done correctly. Our aim is to ensure that while many hands touch the document, its integrity and format remain consistent. Imagine reading a beautifully written article, but every other paragraph is in a different font, size, or color. Distracting, right? Proper organization and formatting enhances readability. A well-organized document helps the reader understand and follow the content. Ensures consistency. Especially in collaborative efforts, a uniform style gives the document a professional appearance. Reduces confusion. For editors and readers alike, consistent formatting avoids misunderstandings. 1. Set clear guidelines. Before starting, ensure that all collaborators are aware of the formatting and organization standards. This could be font type, size, heading structures, or paragraph spacing. 2. Use templates. Many collaborative tools offer templates. Using a standard template ensures everyone begins on the same page, literally. 3. Track changes. Make use of track changes or similar features. This lets collaborators see who made which edits, facilitating accountability and review. 4. Regularly review. Designate intervals or checkpoints for someone or multiple individuals to review the document for consistency. 5. Communicate. Always keep the lines of communication open. If someone is unsure about a format, they should feel comfortable asking. Use comments or built-in chat features. 6. Final review. Before publishing or finalizing the document, conduct a thorough review to ensure all edits align with the intended organization and format. 1. Too many cooks. Having multiple collaborators can lead to a cluttered document. Limit the number of editors or split tasks to avoid overlap. 2. Inconsistent edits. If two people make different edits to the same section, decide which version to keep. Consistency is key. 3. Lack of clarity. If the original message gets lost due to edits, revisit the purpose of the document and ensure edits align with the intended message. And there you have it. With these best practices in hand, your collaborative editing ventures should lead to organized and well-formatted documents. Remember, collaboration is about combining strengths, not creating chaos. Happy editing, and we hope this video has illuminated the path to effective and organized collaborative writing.